Product name: Telescope 80mm Aperture 600mm Astronomical Portable Refracting Telescope. Fully multi-coated high transmission coatings. AZ mount with tripod phone adapter, wireless control, carrying bag. The telescope 80mm Aperture 600mm is a high-quality refracting telescope ideal for stargazing. With a 600mm focal length and 80mm aperture, it captures more light for superior images. It includes 25mm and 10mm eyepieces, 24x and 60x magnification, and a 3x Barlow lens for up to 180x magnification. The 5x24 finder scope simplifies object location. Portable with an adjustable tripod and phone adapter, it's easy to set up without tools. Here are some pros and cons of the product. Pros: the telescope has a high-quality optical system that delivers clear and bright images. It is portable and easy to carry around. The telescope comes with 2 replaceable eyepieces and a 3x Barlow lens that provide a wide range of magnification options. It is easy to set up and does not require any tools. The telescope comes with a phone adapter and an adjustable aluminum tripod. Cons: the telescope may not be suitable for viewing objects that are too far away. The telescope may not be as durable as other telescopes on the market. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for our latest videos.